ಮಹಿಳಾ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಿಂತ ಸದೃಢವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ, ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸದೃಢಪಡಿಸುವುದೇ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ. ಆಧುನಿಕ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕೆ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ದೇಶದ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾದ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯವರೆಗೂ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ತಾನು ಅಬಲೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸಬಲೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಸಾಧನೆಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ದಿನಚರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅನೇಕ. ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲೇ ಕಾಣುವ ಅನೇಕ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣೆಗಸು ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಓದಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಆದರೂ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾವು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ದುಡಿಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲೈತೆ.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ದುಡಿಯೋದಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹತ್ರ ಕೈ ಚಾಚಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ದೇಶನೇ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುವಂಥ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಿಲಿಟರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಗಂಡಸರಿಗಿಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮೇಲು ಅನ್ನೋದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ದುಡ್ದು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಂತಹ ಅನೇಕ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಾಧಕರನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳಾ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ಛಾಪು ಮೂಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ, ನೈತಿಕವಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 400ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರನ್ನು ಯಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯಾಗಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಹಿಳೆಯು ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ, ಅಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ, ತಂಗಿಯಾಗಿ, ಹೆಂಡತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಮಗಳಾಗಿ, ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಪುರಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೂಜಿಸುವ ಶಿವಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ಅರ್ಧನಾರೀಶ್ವರನಾಗಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಹತ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆಕೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಧಾನ್ಯತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ನಾವುಗಳು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣವನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಾ, ಆಧರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ
ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ವಂದಿಸೋಣ.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Present morning to one and all. It's give me an immense pleasure to welcome you all for the 5th National Level Online Coding Competition, Codigniter 2020, organized by Department of Information Science and Engineering, GSS IETW, Mysuru, in association with CSI Mysuru Chapter. I, Chayapi, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, feels privileged to be the Master of Ceremony of this event. Let us begin the event by seeking the blessings of the great visionary and our Founder Secretary, Professor B.S. Pandit Sir. The great philosopher said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. Nothing is impossible as long as we have faith on the mighty powers of Almighty. As we march forward with great hopes and aspiration, let us invoke the blessings of the Lord Almighty to be highly successful in our future ventures. I would like to invite Madhushri R, 7th semester, Department of Information Science and Engineering, to render the invocation.
ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ, ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ, ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ, ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಮೂಷಿಕವಾಹನ ಸರ್ವಾಲಂಕೃತನೇ ಗಜಾನನ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಮೂಷಿಕವಾಹನ ಸರ್ವಾಲಂಕೃತನೇ ಗಜಾನನ ಆದಿಪೂಜಿತ ನೀನು ವೇದಾಂತಿತ ನೀನು ಆದಿಪೂಜಿತ ನೀನು ವೇದಾಂತಿತ ನೀನು ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯ ನೀನು ಗಜಾನನ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ಗಿರಿಜಾಸುತನಿಗೆ ಗರಿಕೆಯ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವೆ ಪರಿಹರಿಸು ಪಾಪ ಗಣನಾಯಕ ಗಿರಿಜಾಸುತನಿಗೆ ಗರಿಕೆಯ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವೆ ಪರಿಹರಿಸು ಪಾಪ ಗಣನಾಯಕ ರಕ್ತವರ್ಣನು ನೀನು ಲಂಬೋಧರ ನೀನು ರಕ್ತವರ್ಣನು ನೀನು ಲಂಬೋಧರ ನೀನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡು ಗಜಾನನ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು.
Thank you, Madheshri, for invoking the blessings of God. It's our immense pleasure to welcome the dignitaries and participants whose presence has brought grace to this occasion. I request Dr. Reshma Banu, Professor and Head, Department of Information Science and Engineering and Convener of Code Igniter 2020 to acknowledge our eminent guest.
Everyday life is like programming. I guess if you love something, you can put beauty into it. Computers themselves and software yet to be developed will revolutionize the way we learn. Anyone can play technology, but the future belongs to those who use it to create. Technology is best when it brings people together. So we are virtually connected today. Respected chief guests, distinguished guests, my dear colleagues, participants from distant places, greetings from GT+IETW and a pleasant morning to one and all. Myself being the convener of 5th National Level Coding Competition, Code Igniter 2020, feel happy to welcome you all. Seeking the blessings of great visionary, late Professor B.S. Pandit, founder GT+R, let us march forward. GT+IETW family is delighted to have students to participate virtually in 5th National Level Coding Competition hosted in association with Computer Society of India, Mysore chapter. Computer Society of India is the largest association of IT professionals in India. Here, our students play an important role in the world of IT sector. Taking our morning further and to begin with the inaugural function, I on behalf of everyone heartily welcome the inaugurator and the dignitary of the function, the chief guest Mr. Achyutan Panduranga, business lead, chief of staff, compute software engineering and India COE, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, Bangalore, India. I am especially thankful to you, sir, for your timely response in accepting our invitation. A regarding welcome to you, sir. There are no words which can convey our awe and respect for Honorary Secretary of Geeta Shishu Shikshana Sangha, Srimati Vanaja V. Pandit Madam, Shri R.K. Bharat, CEO and Management Committee Member, GT+R Mysuru, and Srimati Anupama V. Pandit, Administrative Officer, GT+IETW, who have conveyed best wishes for the success of the event. Young minds are like sponges and they are looking for the right input to soak it in. We cannot think of a person more suited to this than our principal, Dr. M. Shivkumar, to whom we extend a happy and hearty welcome. A cheerful welcome to you, sir. I also extend warm welcome to the HODs of various departments. I am happy to welcome coordinators of this program, Mr. Anandam and Srimati Aisha Taranam, Assistant Professors, Department of Information Science and Engineering, and the entire organizing committee members of Department of Information Science and Engineering. I would like to welcome all the teaching and non-teaching staff members of the Institute to this program. Program will be incomplete without extending welcome remarks to the participants who have been a part of so many events of this event from distant places. It is you who made this program to happen. My heartfelt thanks to all the institutional heads and the department heads who actually motivated their students to take part in the events of CodeIgniter 2020. Everyone should know how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Myself, being from computer science and engineering background, feel that computer science is not actually about syntax and coding always. We can make a difference in people's life by developing applications. I strongly feel that CodeIgniter 2020 aids to really flare up the inherent talent, build self-confidence, hopefulness in the students and motivate them in contributing to the growth of digital India. Wish you all the best for all the participants. Have fun with coding. Thank you one and all for the patience hearing.
Thank you, ma'am. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Reshma Banu Madam, Professor and Head, Department of Information Science and Engineering and Convener of CodeIgniter 2020. Now it's time for e-inauguration of 5th online national level coding competition CodeIgniter 2020 by dignitaries. And Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering to brief about the event.
Dignitaries, my dear colleagues and participants. I, Aisha Taranam, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering and Coordinator of 5th Online National Level Coding Competition, CodeIgniter 2020, feel privileged to brief about the event. This is a very proud moment for us to conduct the 5th National Level Coding Competition, CodeIgniter 2020. To take a moment to reflect on our goals and how far we have come. The purpose of the competition is to highlight the opportunities and challenges in the computer science and information science and engineering and to provide a forum to exhibit the technical challenges implemented in computer technology and related areas. This creates a platform for students of various streams of IT to showcase their talent, present their own work and share and exchange ideas with their counterparts from all over India with professionalism and academicians. CodeIgniter 2020 has 3 events: code debugging, online quiz, project or business innovation idea. The general instructions are: judge's decision will be final. No further arguments will be entertained. Participations for the event was open for BE, MTech, BTech, BBM, MBA students from any discipline or branch. The response is limited to 1. No extra time will be granted to compensate for lost time due to hardware failure, power outages, network issues, etc. The last date of registration was till 5th September 2020. By registering for the event, participants are bound to the event rules. The use of internet is not the best practice. Rules and judging criteria for code debugging. The event consists of 2 rounds. Round 1, online test for programming, which is the elimination round. Round 2, top 10 participants clearing round 1 will be provided code snippets to solve. For round 1, 30 questions will be provided. The time limit is 15 minutes. The top 10 fastest finger first participants, based on the correctness, will be qualified to round 2. Shortlisted top 10 participants will be announced through WhatsApp, and the link for round 2 will be sent via email. All participants who cleared round 1 will be given the code snippets to solve in round 2. There will be 15 code snippets to be solved within the time duration of 30 minutes. Rules and judging criteria for online quiz. The quiz is for 15 minutes, which consists of 30 questions. The quiz is limited for 1 response. Judge's decision will be final, and it is based on correctness and fastest finger first. Rules and judging criteria for project and business innovation ideas. The team consists of a minimum of 2 members. Only 1 idea per team is permitted. Each team should present an innovation, project or business idea. The challenges and relevance of the problem should meet societal needs and must contribute to the economic development of the nation. Students have sent the abstract of the ideas before 5th September 2020 to the mail ID. Students should prepare presentation of their innovation business idea, which should consist of 10 to 12 slides. We have nearly 275 participants from various engineering colleges across India. We have participants from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, in and around Karnataka. In each event, 3 winners will be awarded with appreciation certificate, and e-certificate will be provided for all the participants. Events will be judged using the following criteria. Overall evaluation is done on the basis of technology, presentation, design approach, methodology, results, satisfactory completion, and social relevance. We have invited technical experts from various reputed companies to judge the event online and give fruitful suggestion for all participants. Wish you all the best for all the participants. Thank you. Have a great day.
A successful person is the one who places more attention on doing the right things than doing things right. We feel honored to have a chief guest of today's function, Mr. Achyutan Panduranga, Business Lead and Chief of Staff, Computer Software Engineering and India, COE, HP Bangalore. I request Anandel, Coordinator of CodeIgniter 2020 and Assistant Professor of Department of Information Science and Engineering to introduce the chief guest to the audience.
Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can attain excellence. Very good morning to one and all present here. I, Anand M., Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering and Coordinator, CodeIgniter 2020, feel honored to introduce to you our Chief Guest for the inaugural function, Mr. Achyutan Panduranga, Business Lead, Chief of Staff, Compute Software Engineering and India, COE, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Bangalore, India. Mr. Achyutan Panduranga, born and brought up in Mysore, holds a Bachelor's of Engineering degree in the Electronics and Communication from the Malnad College of Engineering. He started his career out of college at Hewlett-Packard in July 1997. Since then, he has learned his ropes as a systems engineer in Embedded Systems Division, building next-generation payment operating systems for the financial domains as a part of Verifone, a division of HPE. He has been engaged with various business units of HPE, storage servers, networking, personal systems, IT services, pre-sales and program management office in the capacities of project lead, project manager, vendor manager, program manager at HPE's offices in India, US, China, with 20 years of work experience at the enterprise organization. Sir has worked across the breadth of systems design and development, starting with VLSI hardware design, verification of HP's flagship SuperHome servers, system software development, managing development of protocol stacks, networking, embedded application development for systems, remote management for storage system, IT application development and sustenance. He has built competence in managing complex programs in the global storage streaming and automated process, vendor management, product development, establishing development and quality assurance frameworks for achieving excellence in delivery and implementing best practices. Currently, he is a business lead and chief of staff in Compute Software Engineering Group at HPE Bangalore. Sir has been interested in organizational development, employee engagement and excellence, extending in and out established university connects and program managing the same for HPE and R&D India. Off work, Achyutan has few key interests like reading in general, Indian mythology particularly, pondering on how things work and trying his hands with the stand-up comedy. He lives in Bangalore with his wife Sadhana, an education entrepreneur and two daughters Namita and Pranita. Let us give a big round of applause to such a great achiever. We are indeed delighted to have you amongst us today, sir. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our chief guest of this event, Mr. Achyutan Panduranga, sir, to address the participants.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Achyut Panduranga. Thank you for inviting me to this event. I'm really happy to be part of this. First up, many congratulations to GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. I am also thankful to the CSI chapter of Mysore and the ISND department, which has organized this event. It started this in the 5th year in a row, which is in itself great. And thank you for all of the conveners of this event to have taken the pain to do this. I know it even to run a live event face-to-face in itself is a lot of work, but to be able to do it all remote across the country is very credit-worthy, and it's really good to know that, and I'm glad that I'm part of this event for you today. My excitement comes from the fact that about a few weeks ago, I got this invite from Mr. Mahadev from Placement Office. I asked him for a brochure. He gave me a brochure which contained 3 aspects. There was this code debugging activity, which checks out the left part of your brain. It tests out your analytical skills. It'll check for your ability to do think on your feet and come up with solutions to problems real time. Then, as I turn it over, I see another part which is coming up with project and business ideas on innovation. This checks out the creative side of the people. So when it comes to creative problem solving or coming up with innovative ideas, it calls for thinking from much larger system-wide of thinking. And so you are exercising the whole brain in coming up with problem solving at code level or in coming with business solutions for problems. So it's a wholesome event, and that's why I'm very excited. I look for things which cover the entire spectrum or utilization of our brain. And while I work through this, I want the problem-solving areas as an interesting solution to the current world that we live in, right? I recall back in November last, right? We did an hackathon event in one of the colleges in Mysore, again working with one of the chapters, student chapters like this. We asked them to solve a bunch of problems. One of the problems we asked you to solve was around disaster management solutions. that was prevalent at that point in time. The large part of the southern part of India had trouble with managing disasters like flood. The problem statement we gave versus the problem solution, the students were able to think through and come up with a blockchain-based solution was amazing. The 4-member team learned new technologies in the hackathon event, came up with a large solution. On top of it, the technologists from our organization who were supporting them, mentoring them, were able to answer queries that they hadn't themselves thought of. So what it does is it ignites your minds to think of things which are not thought of earlier. It's the same thing where I'm seeing this event to be able to do. You are going to solve a project or a business innovation idea. This idea gets its wings, gets more thoughts, flies high, you get feedback, you improve it further. So what it translates to me is the ability of people to again solve problems for the world. Another aspect that I'm very excited about for today's event is HPE is actively participating in this event. Thanks to having us in this activity, the values that your organization comes up with exactly aligns with the HPE values. We believe in yes we can attitude of working on things, solving problems with a positive attitude and approach. We believe in leaving this place a better place than what we came in with. And when we are solving problems, making this place a better, it is always good for the world, and it equally gives you a lot of satisfaction in solving the world's problems. We as HPE are looking to be an edge to cloud as a service company, solving the problems of today and tomorrow better. This event is also something similar, solving the problems of today, understanding, thinking on the feet, solving code debugging issues, at the same time coming up with business ideas for innovative ideas for solving problems of today in a better way for tomorrow, or solving newer problems of tomorrow ahead of time, thinking of what could be potential problems to be solved, coming up with solutions now. As I work this through, I have a few expectations of the students who are participating in this event. There is no wrong way to do the right things. You're all doing the right things of coming up with solving problems. You're coming up with solutions to business problems, coming up with innovative solutions. Solve these problems, challenge yourself to beyond solving it for constrained limits of solving it for a given problem area, or solving it for a given locality, or solving a problem for a given technology area or domain. As we go through this day, you will gain more feedback. Please work on improving on the feedback, build it for better. So each of you learning how to solve problems in this exercise is your step into the professional world, where you will be solving even bigger problems. But this gives you the confidence of how to tackle problems in the real world. By thinking of problems that don't exist today and coming up with solutions, you are also preparing yourself for the industry, which will again be looking to solve problems of tomorrow ahead of time. So in many ways, treat this event as an event which will help you go one step further into your career aspects, as well as solving real world problems professionally. As a industry, as well as the institute, which is DSSS, I have one expectation, which is to create more opportunities like this for students today, professionals of tomorrow, to solve problems live, to solve problems by thinking on their feet, to solve problems by thinking larger system level. So I'm truly believe in the fact that this event and events like this will enable you to solve problems better and be better prepared for a world of tomorrow. In closing, I would like to offer, as an HPE representative in this event, if there are project ideas, business innovative ideas that you have, which needs help, either in terms of mentoring or in terms of technical inputs or any other ways that is feasible for us as an organization, we are open for it. We would like to engage with you, not just for this today's event, but also to be able to solve any of the problems that you see as real problems that you need help with making as a project ideas, or maybe building a solution for it. So we would like to engage and build better solutions or improve the solutions that you built today as well. So in closing, I would like to offer this to the students who are participating in this event. Start with what you have. Run with what you know. And finish with what your best can be, nothing less. So start with what you have, what limited data you have. Run with what you know already. In the process, you will learn even better. Finish with the best that you can be, nothing less, right? And any support and help to make these products better, if you have further ideas after today, we are always there. Reach out through your college to us. And I wish you all the very best for today, for your future, for your professional careers ahead, and overall in life. Thank you so much. All the very best. Do well. And GSSS and the conveners of this event and the CSI chapter of Mysore appreciate you taking the time to run this event, get the engineers of tomorrow better prepared for them. All the very best. Do well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for illuminating our minds with your wise words. I request our respected principal, Dr. Shivkumar M, to address the participants.
Very good morning to one and all attending the inaugural function of CodeIgniter 2020. Chief guest of 5th National Level Coding Competition, CodeIgniter 2020, Mr. Achyutan Panduranga. Business Head, Chief of Staff, HP Enterprise, Bengaluru, Dr. Reshma Banu, Professor and Head, Department of Information Science and Engineering, HODs of various departments, faculty members of Information Science and Engineering, and participants of this competition. For the benefit of the other participants from other colleges, I would like to inform that our institute is accredited with the grade A by NAAC, accredited by NBA New Delhi, got silver college rating by QS iGauge methodology, and recently the institute has got the ARIA ranking, and it is categorized as band B institution among the private or self-financed engineering colleges. The competitions like CodeIgniter will help the participants of the this event to be more disciplined, faster, and focused coder. It also teaches how one can be more focused on the task and not only complete the work quickly but also accurately. It helps the participants to solve the complicated problems, which helps in preparing them for jobs, because you can adopt and solve various types of problems in various types of situations. And participating in the coding competitions like CodeIgniter can be highlighted in your resumes, which adds lot of values during the interviews, and it also shows the companies you can work in a team, solve complicated problems, and work in lines and minimize errors. And finally, I congratulate the Department of Information Science and Engineering for taking initiative to organize the CodeIgniter for 5th consecutive time, and also congratulate Dr. Reshma Banu and her team for taking this task and completing and taking that meticulously, and also wish best of luck for all the participants of CodeIgniter. I hope all the participants of this CodeIgniter we make best use of all the events in this competition and win prizes and bring laurels to your institution. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. As we come towards the end of the inaugural program, it's time to express our sincere gratitude to all those who have been a part of this program. I request Soumya Dutt ji, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks.
The roots of all goodness lies in the soil of appreciation for goodness, quoted by Dalai Lama. Good morning all. I, Soumya Dutt ji, Assistant Professor, Department of ISC, take this privilege to render vote of thanks to all those who have been a part of inaugural function of the 5th National Level Coding Competition, Code Igniter 2020. From the depth of our hearts, we thank our Chief Guest, Mr. Achyutan Pandurangan, Business Lead and Chief of Staff, Compute Software Engineering and India, COE, HP Enterprises, Bengaluru, for all words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. Thank you, sir. I also express my humble gratitude to Srimati Vanja P. Pandit ma'am, Honorary Secretary, GSSR, for the best wishes. Thank you, ma'am. I heartily thank Mr. R.K. Bharat sir, CEO and Management Committee member, GSSR, for wholehearted support and best wishes. Thank you, sir. I take immense pleasure in extending my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Shivkumar M., Principal, GSSR IETW, for his support and encouragement. Thank you, sir. I acknowledge my profound gratitude to Srimati Anupama B. Pandit ma'am, AO, GSSR IETW, for wholehearted support and best wishes. Thank you, ma'am. I thank Dr. Reshma Banu, Convener, Code Igniter 2020, Professor and Head, Department of ISC, who has been the driving force behind this program. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank Mr. Anand M. and Aisha Taranam, Code Igniter Coordinators, Code Igniter 2020, and teaching and non-teaching staff of I also thank Mr. Anand M. and Aisha Taranam, Coordinators, Code Igniter 2020, and teaching and non-teaching staff of ISC Department, GSSR IETW, for their coordination. Thank you all. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants from various colleges for their enthusiastic participation. Thank you all. I once again thank one and all present here. Thank you all. Have a
Learn from failures, for outweigh the joys of victory. Let us now, with a bright smile and an eager mind, to step out believing that our talents can make magic happen. I once again welcome you all to the Code Igniter 2020. The link for the coding quiz and project innovation ideas will be shared to all registered participants. The schedule of the event as follows: 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. quiz competition, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. project innovation ideas, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. coding competition will be held. For quiz, links will be open at 10:30 a.m. and closes at 10:30 a.m. The certificate of participations will be issued for all participants who participate in the event, and appreciation certificate for the 3 winners of coding, quiz and project innovation ideas will be awarded. I, Chaya P, signing off from the Master of Ceremony. Thank you all.